Ready to break free from the Windows world and discover the open-source freedom of Ubuntu? First, let's talk about why you even want to switch. Ubuntu is known for its security, customization, and speed, often providing a performance boost compared to Windows, especially on older hardware. Plus, it's completely free. Also, Ubuntu has a massive community that helps its new users transition easily. Now, let's prepare for the switch. Step 1. Data backup. Before you do anything, back up all your important files, documents, photos, videos, the works. You can use an external hard drive, a cloud storage service, or even a simple USB drive. Make sure you're backing up all the necessary files. Next, download the latest version of Ubuntu from the official website. Choose the desktop version, and make sure you select the correct version for your processor. Step 3. Create a bootable USB drive. You will need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of space and software like Rufus for Windows or Balanature for Windows, Mac, and Linux. This drive will be your installation media. After the download, plug in a USB and select the Ubuntu ISO file. Now, we'll enter the BIOS or boot menu. Restart your PC and tap the key that will take you to the BIOS settings or brings up a boot menu. The key varies. Common keys are delete, F2, F12, or ESC. You might need to consult your motherboard's manual. Now select your USB drive as the primary boot device. Once in the boot menu, select your USB drive. This will boot you into the Ubuntu installation environment. From here, you can choose to try Ubuntu to test the operating system, or click on the Install Ubuntu button. Make sure you have an internet connection. The installation process is straightforward. Follow the on-screen prompts, selecting your language, keyboard layout, and setting up your drive. Here, you can dual boot with Windows, or you can choose to erase the entire drive and install only Ubuntu. After installation, the system will restart. Congratulations, you are now running Ubuntu. Now, install the software and applications you need. Most Windows applications have Ubuntu equivalents, and software can be installed through the Ubuntu Software Center or the terminal. Finally, personalize your Ubuntu experience and start enjoying the open-source world. With a bit of practice, you'll find that Ubuntu is a powerful and flexible operating system. Welcome to your new operating system.